So earlier, we have discovered how to push a Docker image to Docker Hub with GitLab CI. In this lecture, we will explore how to push our Docker image to the GitLab Container Registry. So we can use the GitLab Container Registry to store our container images for each GitLab project. And here we can view the GitLab Container Registry by going here to Deploy, and then we click on Container Registry. So now our container registry is empty because we didn't have any image. So let's create a new job and see how we can push the Docker image to the GitLab Container Registry. So I will duplicate the Docker push job. We will change the name of the job from Docker push to push to GitLab Container Registry. So the first part of the configuration of the job will remain the same as the Docker push job. For the script section here, first of all, we have to load the Docker image from the downloaded artifact. And then here, instead of login to Docker Hub, we have to log in to our GitLab Container Registry. So if we go back here to the GitLab Container Registry, so if we go here to authenticate, so here we find how to authenticate to the container registry. So we can use the GitLab username and password, or we can use personal access tokens or deploy tokens or some other options. So let's scroll down here and see how we can authenticate with the username and password. We find here how to log in to the GitLab Container Registry using predefined variable. So here we will echo the CI registry password, and then we will use a pipe and execute the command docker login, followed by the CI registry, which is the address of the GitLab Container Registry, followed by the username and the password. Okay. So we will use this to log in to the GitLab Container Registry. So we will replace this command with this one. Okay. So here we specify first of all the CI registry, and then the CI registry user, and then the password. Okay. And here we echo the password stored in this predefined variable, the CI registry password variable. Next, before pushing the Docker image, we have to tag the image with the GitLab Container Registry address. Okay. To explore more these predefined variables, we search here for GitLab predefined variables. So let's search, for example, for the CI registry variable. So here in the description, we find that the CI registry has the address of the container registry server. And for the CI registry image, it is the base address for the container registry to push, pull, or tag projects images. So before pushing the Docker image to the GitLab Container Registry, we have to tag the image with the CI registry image, as we did here with the docker tag command. So we specify the image that we want to tag, and then the new tag that we want to give to this image. And then we execute the docker images command to check the available images. And finally, we execute the docker push command, but instead of pushing this image, we have to push the image with the new tag. Okay. And to explore more the values stored in these predefined variables, we will use the echo command, and we will pass these variables. So first of all, the CI registry, and then the CI registry image. And finally, the CI registry password. So let's now commit the changes and see the execution of the pipeline. So here we have added the push to Gitlab Container Registry job. So now the changes was committed successfully. Let's see the execution of the pipeline. So a new pipeline was triggered. So now we have 6 jobs. 2 jobs are part of the test stage and 4 jobs are part of the Docker stage. So here the 2 jobs for pushing the Docker image either to Docker Hub or to the Gitlab Container Registry will start only after finishing the execution of the Docker test job. So now the Docker test job finishes its execution successfully. So the Docker push job and the push to GitLab Container Registry job, the 2 jobs are executed in parallel, and that's because the 2 jobs are part of the same stage and they are not dependent on each other. So now the pipeline was completed successfully. Let's see the execution of the job for pushing the image to the GitLab Container Registry. So here the job starts first of all by downloading the artifacts uploaded by the Docker build job. And then here it executes the echo command. So here we have the values stored in these predefined variables. First of all, we have the CI registry, and then we have the CI registry image. So the CI registry image is the CI registry followed by the group name, followed by the project name. So this value is coming from the CI registry image. For the CI registry user, it is using GitLab CI token. And for the CI registry password, it is masked for security reasons. And then it moves to the Docker load command to load the Docker image from the downloaded artifact. And then here we execute this command to log in to the container registry using the Docker login command. So here we see that the login was succeeded. And then it moves to tagging the Docker image with the CI registry image. So it tagged the image with this tag, the CI registry image. And then here we execute the Docker images to see the images that are available. So here we have 2 images. This one is the image coming from the Docker load command when executing the Docker load command. And for the second image that we have here, so this is the new tagged image, okay? The image that we have tagged here using the Docker tag command. And then it moves to the Docker push command to push the new tagged image to the GitLab Container Registry. And here we see that the job was succeeded. So let's go now to the GitLab Container Registry and see if the image was pushed successfully. So now we didn't have any Docker image. Let's refresh this page. So we see here that we have an image that was published 5 minutes ago. And this is the image that was pushed by the new created job, okay? The push to GitLab Container Registry job. So that's how we can push Docker images to the GitLab Container Registry. So I hope that everything is clear. Thank you very much and see you next time.